What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And for today, what I got for y'all is something for the bike, something for the fixed gear bike where I got to install. What that might be is, bam! I am going to install a front brake, right? Yeah, I haven't ran fixed gear for like a long time, and recently I was like, you know what? I think I need to put a front brake on this thing just because if I want to take it downtown and start riding and stuff like that, I don't want to, want it to get away from me, or won't be able to stop any type of situation that may happen, right? So come along, we're gonna install this little beauty real quick, a little simple install, but it's something to bring for y'all until the next drift event. So let's get started. The thing I'm gonna install today is from State Bicycle. That's what it's called, State Bicycle company. And it's a little, I think it's like about $25 to $30 component, but it's just a simple front brake assembly that we're gonna install on the bike. So let's get into it, y'all. Install this sucker real quick. Go, little baby. It's still, I mount it here because I really don't have a place in the garage right now, but I do want to get a little mount that's gonna go like in this little area. That'll hang in the wall, so it'll be out of the way. A nice little art piece, as I like to call it. Yeah, but anyway, so as you know, bike's front brake, so it's gonna go around here, clamp over this, and the brake go up here. A little quick and easy install, shouldn't be too bad. Let's hope. First, we're gonna install the brake itself. It has these spacers right off of here, if you can see. See these two spacers? That's so off of the fork, it can space itself off the fork so it's not touching the fork itself, right? I'm actually gonna use both of these. All you have to do is slide it through the hole. Boom, that's simple. The back piece looks like this. It uses an Allen wrench, you see? And the size is like a 5mm size Allen wrench. So you just slip that through the back portion of it, and then you just start tightening it up. It's literally that easy. Obviously, you gotta do some adjustment after you installing it to make sure it stops like how you want it to, but it is that easy. Okay, that's it for that. As you can see, that's nice and installed right there. Let me show y'all. So, turn around, boom. Wheel still moves freely as we ride. Now to install the brake level. On the lever itself, it has an Allen wrench at the bottom. You can undo that so you can clip around the bars. So, and I'm gonna put it right around here. I was gonna place it on my left side, which is really where it needs to go, but I wrapped it so thick right here that it's not biting for me. So I'm just gonna move it over to the right side, which will still do its job. I'll just be on the right side and I'll be upside down. But hey, who cares? We're gonna get it done. It's just not in the way of anything. That mug down and we're good to go. See how simple that was? If you don't have one of these, you should get one. Has different size Allen wrenches on there. Definitely helps when you're working on different sizes on the bike. But there it is. It's good to go. Let's see if it works. Ooh. Looks like it's gonna work. Might make it a little bit tighter. Yep, there you go. Adjusted it Seems like it works. Let's go for a little quick ride. Make sure my tires are not flat. I also forgot to mention, you want to adjust your pads too, so it's sitting in the right area that you want it. So if you need to raise it up and down, go ahead and do that, make those adjustments. You'll be good to go. Man, I'm so bad. I still have not taken this little plastic thing off of the Leaders emblem. This thing's been on here since like 2009, 2010, sheesh. Let me take it off right now. God, feels good. All right, let's see how, I don't know how people ride and film. I need like a little vest or something. So it definitely works. Look at that. Slows me down. I should turn down and go back down the hill. Hold on. Yep. Slow me down. Yep.